The following is a reenactment of federal court testimony from the trial of Sean Diddy Combs. The content may be disturbing, and some language has been censored to comply with YouTube standards. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty. Listener discretion is strongly advised.
We now turn to the testimony of Dawn Richards, presented on Friday.
The AUSA may call its next witness.
Your Honor, the government calls Dawn Richard. Where are you from?
New Orleans, Louisiana.
From 2004 and 2011, who did you work for?
Puff, Sean Combs.
Do you see him?
Yes.
Who is depicted in this photo?
Cassie.
In 2009, did you observe an incident between Puff and Cassie?
She was attacked by Sean Combs, kicked.
Did you see more violence by him against Cassie?
Often.
At this point, a photo of Diddy Dirty Money is shown.
When were you a member of this group?
2009 to 2011.
The incident in 2009 when Sean Combs beat Cassie, where was it?
In Sean Combs' LA home. We were recording.
What did he do?
He was saying, "Where the F is my food." He grabbed a black skillet with eggs and tried to hit her over the head. Cassie dropped to the ground.
What did she do?
She went into fetal position.
Then what?
Sean Combs was kicking her in the head and body, then dragged her up to the first floor, glass breaking and yelling. I was scared for her, and for me too.
Did you intervene?
No.
Did you call the police?
No.
The next day, what happened?
He said that it has been passionate and she was okay, that it would be better if we didn't talk, that people could end up missing.
How did you understand that?
Death.
Objection.
Sidebar.
Jurors, you can leave for the weekend, watch the Yankees play the Mets or the Knicks. If you're not into sports, there's a lot going on. See you Monday.
This segment covers Dawn Richards' Monday testimony.
All rise. On the defense's application with regard to Dawn Richard, Ms. Garagos' opening statement opened the door to this testimony. As to Mr. James, the testimony would be inadmissible absent more.
When Mr. Combs told you people could go missing, how did you interpret it?
That people could die. I couldn't believe that this could be the beginning of a journey for us.
As Diddy Dirty Money?
Yes.
What did you observe?
He would drag her and kick her and punch her in the mouth.
What would prompt these acts of violence?
Objection.
Overruled.
When she would speak up for herself.
Who in security witnessed these things?
D-Rock and Bonds.
Where did Ms. Ventura get hit?
Her knees, her face, all over.
Did there come a time you were in New York for a festival?
Yes, in Central Park.
In the residence, what happened?
He punched Cassie. She came into the bathroom crying. You could see her upset, like she was hurt. Objection.
Sustained.
What injuries did you observe?
Swollen eye.
Why'd you remain with Ms. Ventura after this incident?
I wanted her to feel supported.
What's this?
The Central Park event.
At this point, a photo of Cassie in sunglasses and Dawn Richard is shown.
Why did you wear them?
Solidarity.
The next assault, who was there?
D-Rock, Capricorn Clark, Harv Pierre.
Who was Mr. Pierre?
He worked at Bad Boy, answering to Sean Combs.
Did they do anything?
None of us did anything. When we drove back to LA, he slapped Cassie in the mouth and told her to shut the F up.
How did the passengers respond?
We stayed silent the rest of the ride. I asked myself, if he did that to someone he supposedly loved, what would he do to an employee? So I'd approach Mr. Combs with softness.
Did you try to intervene in the relationship?
No, for my own safety.
Did you see Mr. Combs using drugs?
Yes. Weed, ketamine, Molly, cocaine.
Opiates?
That I never saw.
Who brought him the drugs?
One stop. He had it all, including Plan B birth control.
Did you see Mr. Combs with guns?
Yes. Handguns. On his lower back.
Who else had guns?
Security. D-Rock and Bonds.
What did you do after Bad Boy?
Sing. Whenever I got momentum, I'd get a FaceTime from him.
How would you speak to him?
Very soft, I'd always call him bro.
Why did you not disclose the abuse you'd seen?
I was told not to by Mr. Combs and Harve Pierre.
When did you speak out?
2024. I saw Ms. Ventura take the stand and tell the truth.
Objection.
Sustained.
Did you see Ms. Ventura file a civil lawsuit and then file your own?
Yes.
Cross.
You are aware there's a motion to dismiss your lawsuit?
I have civil lawyers.
You sat with the prosecutors and your allegations have changed?
I've been consistent.
You testified he attempted to hit her about the eggs and Ms. Ventura dropped down in a fetal position, right?
Yes.
Did you ever say you heard a pan hit the wall? You didn't see it?
I don't recall.
Would you agree with me it has been hard for you to keep your story straight with respect to this egg incident?
I told it as close as I could.
The day after, you say Mr. Combs said, "People go missing."
Yes.
Let's go to your interview on March 18th, 2025. You did not say anything about Mr. Combs telling you, "People go missing."
I don't recall that.
No worries. I'm going to show you a document, for the parties only. Page 5. Isn't it true the first time you said this was a week ago? Would you like me to show you your previous interviews?
I know what I said.
You said Mr. Combs made a death threat, one that you didn't recall 7 times. Let's move to the alleged incident before the Central Park concert. You are aware there was a camera crew?
Not in the bathroom.
You were filmed in the park. Are you aware if the video has been turned over?
No.
About the guns, you didn't tell the prosecutors about I saw guns at Diddy's house?
They didn't ask.
You never saw Mr. Combs pull a gun out and wave it around, load bullets or cock it?
He just had it.
Did you tell the government you never saw Mr. Combs do cocaine?
I don't recall.
Your testimony has changed on quite a few things.
As time progresses, I remember more.
You saw One Stop sell drugs? You saw him take money?
Yes.
All right, 1 second. Didn't you tell the government you never saw anyone pay him? So you lied, right?
No.
Sidebar.
It was you who reached out to Mr. Combs to work with him again?
Yes.
But he had threatened you, right? You asked him to work with you again?
Yes.
Okay. The songs you released on your own have not reached the level of what you released with Danity Kane and Diddy Dirty Money, right?
True.
And you reached out to Mr. Combs to try to make more money, right?
Yes.
Can we have a short sidebar?
They're back from sidebar. Redirect.
Why did you file your civil lawsuit?
When I worked for Sean Combs, I had no sleep. The conditions.
In every meeting with the government, did you say that Mr. Combs beat Ms. Ventura?
Yes.
Why'd you reach out to Mr. Combs?
One of the judges on Making the Band, Lorian Gibson, I wanted to reach out.
Objection.
Sustained.
How often would you hear from Mr. Combs after you left Diddy Dirty Money?
Sporadic.
Why did you reach out?
To help Kalina Harper.
No further questions.
You admit you reached out to Mr. Combs to re-engage. You claim only to have a relationship with Lorian Gibson. But if it got back together, you'd have to see Mr. Combs more, right?
Yes.
You sued for money, right?
For justice.
But the suit asks for money, right?
Yes.
No further questions.
Miss Slavic.
No redirect.
Okay, a break.